Hey there, is your iPhone stuck in the SOS Only mode, or are you seeing that pesky SOS indicator of your usual network bars after an update? I totally get how annoying that can be. Don't worry though, we've got a bunch of solutions to get your iPhone back to normal. Let's dive in and fix that SOS Only issue together. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Start by opening the settings app on your iPhone. Then toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 30 seconds, then toggle airplane mode off. Check to see if the SOS indicator is gone. If it's still showing, try a simple restart and check your phone again. Solution 2. Turn mobile network off and on. Open the settings app, then scroll down and tap on cellular. Next, scroll down again. Tap on network selection. Now toggle network selection off and then back on again. Check if the SOS indicator is gone. If it's still there, move on to the next step. Solution 3. Remove and reinsert SIM card. Grab a SIM ejector tool or a paper clip to eject the SIM card tray from your iPhone. Remove the SIM card and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, reinsert the SIM card and close the tray. Check to see if the SOS indicator has disappeared. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Open Settings, then scroll down and tap General. Next, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Then tap Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm the reset. Your iPhone will restart. Check if the SOS indicator is gone. Solution 5. Check the iOS update. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to update your iPhone. Check if the SOS indicator is gone. And that's how you can fix the SOS Only issue on your iPhone and turn off SOS Mode. If you have any questions or if something's still not working, drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope your iPhone is back to normal soon.